What's up mga kasaramba? Welcome sa car review natin. Thank you nga pala sa Kia Motors Gateway, Mandawi City, Cebu for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Mark Cañete on his mobile phone. This is the 2025 Kia Sonet 1.5 LX MT. 828K to Cebu City price ha. March promo is 4,000 RCBC, 20,000 for BDO and Security Bank, and 38K for another bank based on 20% down payment. 60 months is 17,327.00. 10 BPI promo for 72 months is 15,444. And 84 months BPI promo din 14,001. Airbags is driver and front passenger. Brake is electronic brake distribution and anti-lock brake system or ABS. Feature is security alarm, immobilizer, and ISOFIX. Dito sa harap, may dalawang grills, taas at baba. Then may maliit sa gitna. Aluminum silver Kia logo, matte grill, honeycomb, walang butas. Ito lang ang may butas. 4. Silver dito, hindi glossy. May maliit dito, window type, matte. Window type sa baba, matte. Front diffuser, silver, hindi glossy. Headlights is multi-reflector, halogen. DRL standard. Sa baba, fog lamps, halogen. Dito sa gilid, wheels is steel rims with hubcap. Pwede mo nang palitan agad para mas lalong gaganda. Tires is 205/55 R16 Comho. Ang mat dito sa harap, dugtong sa side fender, sa baba, side cladding, sa fender, then hanggang likod. Nasa side ang repeaters, body color side mirrors, auto adjust and manual folding, keyless remote entry, body color doorknobs, matte door trim, may glass dito, maganda. Then wala lang siyang roof rail. Front suspension is McPherson strut. Rear is coupled torsion beam axle. Front brake is disc. And rear is disc. Dito sa likod, shark fin antenna sa taas. Spoiler type back end, integrated yung third brake light LED. Back wiper. Aluminum type Kia logo. Pati ang Sonet emblem. Backup camera. 2 back parking sensors. Silver back diffuser, hindi glossy. Reverse light. Then eto, bulging, nakalabas. Taillights is halogen, sa baba is reflector. Labas talaga ang taillights. May silver accent sa loob. Dugtong hanggang kabila, pero reflector lang to. Buksan natin yung likod. Space sa likod. Walang light. Pag-fold, pull mo lang to. Bench type ang pag-fold. Din sa kabila, buo. Sa ilalim, spare tire, tools and jack. Then may light din dito, iilaw pag nakaandar yung sasakyan. Door panels is gray with silver accent, then silver doorknob. Plastic. Doorknob silver. May dugtong na silver. May maliit na triangle design. Tweeter speaker. Matte. Solid handle. Power window button. Malagyan. Bottle holder. Speaker. Then retractable hand grip. Sa likod na door panels is same, gray with silver accent. then silver doorknob, plastic, silver doorknob, silver extension, solid handle, matte, power window button, maliit na malagyan, bottle holder, speaker, then retractable hand grip, platong center armrest, may pockets dito, dito wala, silver, 2 air vents, malagyan, then 2 USB Type-C. Driver side na door panels is same gray with silver accent, then silver doorknob. Plastic, triangle accent, maganda. Tweeter speaker, silver doorknob, extension silver, solid handle, plastic, matte, side mirror adjust, left and right, lock and unlock, power window buttons, windows lock, malagyan, bottle holder speaker, then walang hand grip. Steering wheel is tilt only. Pa-drop ang design dito. Plastic pero may konting soft. Piano black sa visor. Silver air vents. Headlights leveling. Hood lever. And gas tank lever. Upuan is fabric. Kita ang stitching. Synthetic sa gilid. Line accent sa gitna. Same din dito. Fabric. Synthetic ang gilid. Same sa headrest. Then 4-way manual adjust. View sa likod. 3-spoke steering wheel, urethane with silver accent and audio controls. Dito is different modes, voice command, infotainment, and cellphone button. Dito naman is okay and dash display. Dash is analog RPM, fuel gauge, and temperature. Display sa gitna is 4.2 TFT LCD. Infotainment is 8-inch touchscreen via 6 speakers with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB, Bluetooth, hands-free with voice command recognition. Manual digital type aircon with rear vents. Doom lights na papindot-pindot. Sunglass holder. Sun visor vanity mirror sa driver side. Sun visor vanity mirror sa passenger side. Rotary type ignition switch. Malagyan, silver accent, silver sa inner, 12-volt socket, USB Type-C, USB port, malagyan, manual tranny, ang paatras sa kabila, 6-speed, 2 cup holders, manual handbrake, center armrest rubbery, may hold. Passenger na upuan is same fabric. 4-way manual adjust. Plastic pero may pagka-soft. Airbag. Silver accent sa air vents. Then glove box. Ang engine niya is a 1.5 4-cylinder inline 16-valve dual overhead cam gasoline engine. Max output is 115 PS. Max torque is 144 Nm of torque. Transmission is 6-speed manual, and fuel tank capacity is 45 liters. So that's it mga kasarmbaw. Thank you sa panonood. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, Support Visan Vlogger. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam and peace. Thank you.